And viewers, on the burning question, I should say, it's in fact burning. The only state in India after 77 years of independence, which has at present a female chief minister. I repeat, the only state in the country which has a sitting female chief minister, a lady at the helm of affairs in a state, is West Bengal. And that is the only state where a Bharat ki beti, daughter of India, a lady, a doctor who was only working, had to face, she's no more, horrific, brutal, barbaric, horrendous, terrifying, dreadful, scary, terrible, appalling, atrocious, and I can go on and on and on calling it grisly, ghastly, gruesome, but will it get all of these political parties for once together and stand up and say it's time to come together against such monsters? When Delhi, when the Nirbhaya episode happened, you remember that? There was similar protest in the national capital. Everyone came out on the streets. We were on the streets covering it. We saw all political parties saying what they are today. That no law should be made, law was made. Has anything changed? No. Has anything changed? I ask tonight, viewers. The name of my show is Burning Question. And I really ask, what's the burning question in your mind? Are women safe in India? We look at social media, we talk about, look what's happening in Europe. Oh, look what's happening in Paris. Oh, look what's happening in Milan. Look what's happening in New York. For a second, look what's happening in India. And why is it happening in India? Our culture is very different to the European one. We call woman Devi. We pray to our goddesses twice in a year, 9 days at a stretch. We pray to Goddess Durga. And still, our women are not safe. Our daughters are not safe. Why? What is this mindset? The minute I start my debate, you will see every political party putting blame on the other. BJP saying it's a state issue. TMC saying, look, BJP is only protesting because they want political mileage in the state. But what's the reality which is burning in our mind? The burning question, the real burning question is, are our women safe? And those viewers who feel that it is not your problem, I'm only reminding you, when you stay quiet, when your neighbor's house is set ablaze, next is yours. I'm once again going to when Nirbhaya happened in Delhi. What was the question which was asked to every political party, and what was the answer given? That we are all together. Are they together today on this? Are they together? And it's not only about one incident. There are still so many incidents in different parts of the country which still go unreported, and that's a fact. They still go unreported. Similar, gruesome, grisly incident on women. Why? Why? What is this mindset? What is this mindset? As a society also we need to think. What's wrong? Where is our culture gone? We respect women. We touch their feet. That's our culture. Where have we come? What have we become? Such animals. And then, when the complete society should come together to attack Literally, we should pounce on such animals and push them out of our society. But more importantly, this mindset needs to be pushed. Uday Moharkar, a senior journalist and a former chief information commissioner, around a year and a half back or 2 years back, told me that this porn industry which is running will have such a negative impact on the Indian culture. And I, at that point of time, said, sir, it's okay, it's there in 9 out of 10 phones. Everyone over 18 more or less watches it at some point of their life. Because isn't that the reality? But are you seeing the adverse, the negative impact which is happening on our society? We need to act, and we need to act now. We just cannot raise questions and expect these political leaders. Because one party says, ladki hu lad sakti hu, the other says, ladki padhao, ladki bachao, ladki padhi bhi, phir bhi nahi bachi. And the other one, which says कि लड़की हूं लड़ सकती हूं, where are they tonight? Or where are they from that very moment when we came to know about this gruesome incident in Bengal? They are quiet. They are quiet. They have gone absent. They've gone AWOL. They are missing in action. Why? Because it doesn't politically suits them, and that's the reality. We always just cannot be dependent on our politicians, on these political parties. We as a society, who chooses these political leaders? We do. So we as a society have to come together, and we need to stand, point number one, against this explicit content. Porn, you call it whatever. This is now, I have no doubt that this is now not adversely, deliberately impacting our culture, deliberately impacting our minds and minds, the impressionable minds, viewers, the impressionable minds. We need to act now against this. It's there, very easily available over the internet. It's there on phones, it's just there. Otherwise, a doctor, I'll go to my debate in 30 seconds. I'm just saying, in our Indian culture, who do we compare doctors to? God. Koi nahi bacha payega, to doctor bacha lega. The doctor will save our lives. That is how we compare our doctors to. We compare or put doctors at par with gods. And she was a doctor. She was a doctor. That's the only thing I'm saying before I begin my debate. I have a full panel tonight. I have a full panel. Can I have Ratnakar Tripathi, Deepak Chaurasia, Ratan Sharda, Ram Kripal Singh, Satish K. Singh, Rahul Dev. I have leader of the AIMIM. I have BJP national spokesperson, Mr. R.P. Singh. Everyone joining in. Mr. R.P. Singh, I'll come to you, sir. But first I'm going to Satish K. Singh and Rahul Dev, Deepak Chaurasia, Ram Kripal Singh, all the journalists. I'll come to the politicians later tonight. Because I know what the politicians will say, Rahul Dev. They say, listen, it's the state's responsibility. Yes, it is Mamata Banerjee's responsibility. But she's not only quiet, she's kept everyone quiet. The complete opposition is quiet. Priyanka Gandhi is quiet. And BJP, who's protesting, is being called political opportunist because TMC is saying Ram and Vam. Imagine. Just imagine, Rahul Dev. God Ram is being brought in. Prabhu Shri Ram ko, they are getting in such an incident. It's really appalling. But over and above parties in politics, I'm talking about we as a society. It's not our culture. We respect our women. हम देवी के साल में 2 बार नवरात्रे रखते हैं, and that's a reality. And this is what is happening to our daughters, to our sisters. There is something in principally going wrong, and we need to correct it, Rahul Dev.
Is that question to be?
Yes, sir.
All right. You see, there are several dimensions to this issue. The first question is the nature of the reality of human nature, which has not yet evolved to the level where a woman is not seen just as an object and a means of satiating male lust. The second is that of the system in which we, the women and men and hospitals and various other institutions exist and work. The third is the responsibility of the system which is run by the government, any government. And we need to look at all these aspects in a manner which is holistic so that we don't overemphasize only one factor, one dimension. What has happened was without saying bestial. It has shocked the conscience of the nation. Similar incidents have taken place earlier, and I'm sure they will take place in the future as well, because of various factors that have some of which I have listed. What we see here in this case is a man who is psychologically sick. He's sick in the mind. And apparently he has been following this girl, this junior doctor, for a while. Now the one thing is, what were the means and institutional arrangements for safety of everyone, not just women doctors? Were there CCTVs in all important areas, all public areas? Were there checks? Were there guards manning the entrance and exits of all these places? Were they well lit? So there are several things which only a decent probe can bring out. But clearly, he was not seen or not stopped from entering where this girl was resting. And what he did is, before all of us, and I don't want to go into its description, it is heart-churning. It is.
No, it's heart churning, but Rahul Dev, it also tells us. No, but it also forces us or tells us to introspect as a society. Yes, law and order is a state subject. The state government should have acted, but the only thing they did, Satish K. Singh, was to transfer 40 plus doctors, which, by the way, just few minutes prior, Mamata government has taken back. Mamata government has taken that decision back. So now those 40 plus doctors are not being transferred. RP Singh, Mamata Banerjee, Mamata Bandyopadhyay has taken that decision back because she understands she needs to act on the culprits and not on the doctors. The doctors are protesting to protect their lives, to protect their female colleagues, and there is nothing wrong in it. Satish K. Singh.
Well, you see, this is a chief minister who is 3 in 1. She is the chief minister, she is the health minister, and she is the home minister as well. What has been done today, that by transferring these people, she was sensing that unrest among the doctors who are agitating, and the agitation was going much more, and it was spreading. She just wanted to cut that, and she transferred. But as per your report, she has failed in this effort. The point is simple. I am not going to go very philosophical like Rahulji. What I am straight away saying, and I am very, very belligerent in this, that a precedent should be set for the governance in this country, that one particular government led by a woman, the solitary woman chief minister right now in India, should be sacked. She should be sacked, not because that the incident happened. I'm not saying that. But the way the allegation of cover-up, dilly-dallying, has happened, and no officials, no one in the Mamata administration, Mamata herself, has not penalized anyone. Instead, she was giving a promotion to the principal. You must have heard the conversation, the argument which has taken place in Kolkata High Court. This is a testimony to the fact that a lot of things, the wrongs has been committed there. This is Singur moment for Mamata. This is I would say the start of the end of Mamta. And I would also say this is Nirbhaya moment for Mamta. Because the kind of, I was shell shocked that when I saw her on the streets of Calcutta. Against whom? For what? Everywhere you will bring in politics. And I'm also, one second, I'm also amazed at the fact of a stoic silence of the central government. They haven't done anything right till now. Otherwise they will go, Didi, oh Didi. What have they done? If they are championing the women's safety, if they are looking for constitutional propriety, all kind of things would have been done. Could have sought the governor's report, could have summoned the Home Secretary, could have done a lot more things, but nothing has happened. Maybe they have some political calculation in their mind. But the kind of adjectives that you used, Aishwarya, I would sum it up in two words: national shame, national mourning, and people like us, all of us, are helpless spectators.
And the irony is, Ratan Sharda, Ram Kripal Singh, Deepak Chaurasia, RP Singh, Vivek Ji, Ratnakar Tripathi, I'm coming to all of you tonight. But I'm also saying, we have women at our house. We work with them. We have them as our colleagues. And I am seeing a division of our political class happening again and again and again. Why did I mention RP Singh about Nirbhaya? Because it was in the national capital. I remember, RP Singh, you were protesting, sir. I covered your protests. I'm still a reporter. I covered your protest. You demanded that law should come in. You demanded that strict action should be taken place. You are still protesting. You are still demanding. What has changed, RP Singh? Nothing. Sir.
Aishwarya, can I just make a small point? And
please, sir.
And you can go to the panel. The problem is with the political mindset, or the people who are in administration and who are supposed to take action on any such brutality which happens in society. But as politicians, I'm including my party, including for any party, when it comes to taking strict actions, we try to safeguard certain interests, and that's the problem in Bengal which is happening today. Mamata Banerjee is categorically trying to safeguard certain people or certain individuals or certain set of people in this complete opposite. And that's why she has been, from day one, when the principal said it's suicide, the objective was to keep people away.
But Mr. RP Singh, what subject? Interest? Protecting every daughter is an interest and should be an interest of every politician, irrespective of party lines.
It's not that.
She is the only female woman chief minister in India today. She has 11 members of parliament who are females. And still she is not acting. She is not acting. She's transferring 40 doctors, cancelling under pressure. She's coming out on streets to protest against her own. Why? Just act. Why can't you take strict action against the culprits? Why? Just WHY. RP Singh.
That is all theatric to divert people's attention from the basic issue. That's it. That's all she is doing to divert people's attention. When transferring doctors and then bringing them back is all drama to keep people's basic focus.
But we as a country, we are done for this drama. Ratan Sharda, we are done with this drama. I get your point, RP Singh, but Ratan Sharda, the people of this country are done with this drama. The Nirbhaya episode in Delhi, I went through the postmortem report. I cannot forget it till date. I'm scared to even look into the details of this. That's the reality. We talk about developed nation. We talk about लड़की हूँ लड़ सकती हूँ लड़की बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी बचाओ बेटी तो पढ़ी थी रतन शारदा बेटी तो डॉक्टर बनी थी फिर भी नहीं बची. For that, all of us need to come together.
Aishwarya, first of all,
Sir.
I think every kind of crime when divided on the political lines is the biggest mistake we make. whether it's by media, whether it's by the politicians who come on TV panels and convert every crime and every mishappening in the country in terms of religion, in terms of politics, and start shouting whataboutery. That is the first mistake we make. Second, you talked about the impact of pornography on crime. I can tell you, long years back, 5-6 years back, a lady psychiatrist who also used to make films told me very clearly she has correlated that most of the crimes of rape, when you find the phone of the person, you'll find it having a lot of pornographic material. But we take no action. If Middle East can take action on this pornography, why can't we? Then we have people who say, "Oh, it's my choice, it's my consumption." My dear friend, as long as your personal consumption and you don't disturb people's peace, it's fine. But when we know that sociologically it disturbs the peace of the mind and destroys people's lives, we should take action. Further, if you look at the wokeism that is very prevalent, they say it is my marji, मैं जो मर्जी करूं, मैं जो मर्जी rape करूं, देखूं. You know, pedophile is called minor attracted people. So pedophile is no more crime for so-called progressive people. Then what do you expect? Coming to the chief minister, a home minister, a health minister goes on strike against herself. What can be more farcical? It is whether it's any minister, nobody should make light of rape. What happened right from 21? Any rape, any crime, TMC makes light of it. Says वो pregnant हुई थी क्या? उसका कुछ और रिश्ता था क्या? Is this the way you treat criminal justice? Lastly, when you talk of Nirbhaya, I had said at that time also, it is not law that will make people follow law. First is morality is ethics. But now morality ethics has become a joke of sanskar. We insult sanskar saying ये साले संस्कारी हैं. That is how we destroyed the social fabric of the nation. And when you have law which cannot be implemented by the police because there is so own interest, there are politicians sitting on the head of those police. That is when the problem starts. So making new laws,
Vivek, hold on, I'm coming to you.
whether for women, it is not the solution. Solution, people's own control, people's own discipline, and implementation of the law, which is not happening. I will not get into politics of whether it's TMC or anybody else. I think none of us should do that.
Words like sanskar.
Vivek, hold on. Vivek, I'll come to you. Vivek, I'll come to you. Vivek, 30 seconds. No one has spoken over anyone. Please, please be decent tonight. Please be decent tonight. Please don't speak over each other. Thank you. Vivek.
Have I made any politics? But he will jump in. Because they look everything through political.
I'm not jumping in, पर संस्कार शब्द कहाँ से आ जाता है?
I'm not going to salt take mass rape. Listen to me. If I want to become
संस्कार शब्द आप ले आएंगे, बोलेंगे लड़की को शॉर्ट्स नहीं पहनने चाहिए, लड़की को कपड़ा पहने तो हम समझाएंगे, लड़की वहां जाए जहां हम कहेंगे.
Mr. Vivek,
no one is saying that. Vivek, no one is saying that.
Studio.
It's not about the girls. संस्कार लड़कों में भी होने चाहिए. Let that be clear. Vivek, he is not dictating what should be worn by the girls. He's trying to say in our culture, we respect women. The male folk also needs to understand that.
Doctors like God.
About these,
in this culture,
they are animals. The people who've done this,
you had Sati Pratha.
The culprits are animals.
In this culture, till Brahmo Samaj came,
Vivek, relax. Don't go on a tangent. Vivek, don't disturb the debate and don't go on a tangent. It's a humble request.
This is more stupid.
Vivek, don't go on your anti-Hindu tangent. Please, I won't let you. Relax.
He's
not talking. Vivek, he's not talking about. He's not saying.
मतलब एक बुरी घटना हुई है तो आप कह रहे हैं महिलाओं की लाइफ कंट्रोल करेंगे वो पहले की को.
Who's saying that? Who said that? Has Ratan Chadha said that?
बिल्कुल वो कह रहे हैं मेरी संस्कृति.
No, he's not.
What are you trying to say?
मैंने हलाला की बात की, मैंने ट्रिपल तलाक की बात की.
Listen.
मैं विमेन के लिए जिसके मन में क्या उसकी बात कर रहा हूँ. आप चले गए सती प्रथा में. अक्ल है आपको? मैं आपको
Coming, Mr. Singh. Mr. Singh, hold on. RPG, hold on. RPG, hold on. I'll come to you. RPG, hold on. I'll come to you. RPG, please. Deepak Chaurasi hasn't spoken. Ram Kripalji hasn't spoken. Please relax. Please relax. First, I'll tell you what. Rape and this crime against women cannot be, and shall not be, and will never be part of any culture. It cannot be. What are you saying? Vivek, Ratan Chadha never for a minute said what should be worn, what should be not. Don't try to turn. That is where you want the debate to go. No. Why do you always want to preach the women? Why can't you tell the boys what's right or what's wrong? Why can't the sanskar be there for the boys? For the male folk? Have you seen that video? Vivek, before I tell you to shut up, please
1,000
listen.
people.
Vivek, please listen.
Hospital, break it down. You have
Please
no shame
listen.
at all.
Deepak Chaurasia.
1,000
Deepak
Gundas
Chaurasia.
come into the hospital.
Deepak Chaurasia.
Break down
Deepak
the
Chaurasia.
hospital. Destroy
Ratan
the
Chadha,
evidence,
I understand.
And you have no shame.
Deepak
You're talking
Chaurasia.
politics.
Vivek Srivastava is very active on social media. I'm sure he would have watched that man in front of a clinic, a lady clinic. A doctor is inside. He is half nude, standing, looking at that female doctor. And when that doctor gets up, starts shouting, the man runs away. Runs away. That is what Sanskar Ratan Chadha is saying. We need to tell our boys also what's right, what is wrong. For you, problem is, Vivek, the minute Ratan Chadha mentioned culture, Sanskar, you start trying to say that he's trying to dictate the girls. He's not. He's not. No one is. And no one should. But we should tell. We should tell the male folk as well. The boys should also be told what is right and what is wrong. And that is where you have a problem, Vivek Srivastava. You have that problem here. You have that problem
I
here.
have no problem.
Check yourself up. Don't try to deviate this debate, please. Please
I'm not trying to debate it out. You are
Deepak
trying to say this
Chaurasia.
case.
Deepak Chaurasia, relax. Vivek, I have heard your bent. Relax now. Thank you. Deepak. Ji Dada. Deepak Dada, yeah.
I just want to say that, we have double standards. We have double standard in politicians, we have double standard in political parties, we have double standard in governance, we have double standard in society, and even we have double standard in our families. I've heard so many people in my family telling girl child how to dress up, how not to dress up. Have you told it to boys? This is my basic question.
Yes.
Have we told our boys that please don't party the whole night? We don't. This is the problem, and this is the basic problem. Jab tak aap
Don't do it. Deepak ji, don't put your experience to the entire society. I don't like it. Because
No,
today
Deepak is
we are very
correct.
open
No, I'm
I
not
stand
putting
with
my
you.
experience in my
I stand
society.
with what
I'm telling a blind truth. I'm telling a
Yes.
blind truth. I'm
Yes,
telling
I
a
agree.
blind truth. You may be an exception, sir, but in 80%, 90% families, you may be an exception, but in 80% and 90% families, we try to teach our girls, but we don't try to teach our boys. And I have said it so many times. Why don't we teach our boys? लक्ष्मी जी की पूजा करेंगे हम, माता की पूजा करेंगे हम, but when it comes to girls, we will teach them, but we will not teach our boys. हम बड़े बड़े स्लोगन देंगे, बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, लेकिन वही चीफ मिनिस्टर ममता is very sensitive. I know her personally for a very long time. She is very sensitive, but she is under lot of pressure of vote bank politics. What will she do? What will she do? So this is the double standard. And whatever, when something happens with the Kuldeep Sengar, BJP also keep their mouth shut. Or for some cases, Mamta ji can send a delegation to Hathras. Now she is taking a march against her own government, against her own party, against her own department. Because, you know why? Because she knows how people calm down. Our politicians and our society, and we all, majority of us, sorry Ratanji, I'm not saying it about you, we have become very thick-skinned. 5 दिन बाद भूल जाएंगे.
किसी के भूलने से कुछ होगा नहीं. Ramkripal ji.
It's a very sad story.
Ratan Chadha wanted to make a point. Sir, I'll come to you in exactly 30 seconds. But Ramkripal ji, political compulsions, Mamta is very sensitive. I don't see her sensitive. Deepak Chaurasia is saying as a senior journalist, I have covered her, I know her. I am seeing a very insensitive side. The only female chief minister in the country after 77 years of independence at present. UP gave Mayawati before. West Bengal got Mamta Di. But she has 11 female member of parliaments. Despite that, she has political compulsions that she cannot act on such a gruesome crime. Ramkripal Singh, then these political compulsions are the people watching. Deepak Chaurasia is saying there must be some political compulsions on Mamta Banerjee because of which she is unable to act. I am saying tonight, then such political leaders should leave politics. If they cannot act now, then they cannot act for the people when they want. Then why are you there? Ram Kripal Singh.
जी धन्यवाद ऐश्वर्य जी, मुझे समय दिया आपने, लेकिन मेरे मन में कुछ दूसरे सवाल हैं।
Sir.
पहली बात तो मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि वो डॉक्टर बिटिया, एक दरिंदे ने, जो भी है, एक ने या दो ने, जिसने भी उसकी हत्या की हो, चलिए हत्या हो गई। ये बताइए, हम लोगों में से अगर मान लीजिए कल को हम जो लोग सारे बैठे बात कर रहे हैं, हमारी बेटी होती और उसके साथ जो कुछ हुआ, पहली बार जिसने भी उसे देखा होगा, जिसने भी ये सूचना दी होगी, पहले कहा गया कि आत्महत्या है। जिस व्यक्ति ने ये कहा कि ये आत्महत्या है, उसने दोबारा उस लड़की की हत्या की। और उसके बाद जिस माँ की कोख से वो पैदा हुई थी, वो माँ और बाप जब जाते हैं वहाँ, 2.5 घंटे तक उनको रोका जाता है। ये रोकने वाले
These
ने,
are facts.
रोकने वाला जो भी रहा हो, वो हत्यारे से ज़्यादा बड़ा हत्यारा था। सुनिए भैया, इको आ रही है, जरा से इसको ठीक कराइए।
Right sir, करा रहा हूं।
उस हत्यारे से ज़्यादा बड़ा हत्यारा था और उसने भी हत्या की। और देखिए, मैं एक सिर्फ पूछ रहा हूँ इस बात को, तमाम पॉलिटिक्स अभी यहाँ शुरू हो गई, बीजेपी फलाना ठिकाना। भैया मैं तो एक सिंपल बात कह रहा हूँ, हमारी अगर बेटी होती और उसके साथ ये हुआ होता और हम अगर वहाँ जाते और 2.5 घंटे तक उस माँ को, बाप को वहाँ रोका गया, इसके पीछे कौन था? चलिए, क्या ये नहीं पता प्रशासन को, ये नहीं पता कि किसके आदेश से रोका गया, किसके आदेश से उसे आत्महत्या कहा गया, किसके आदेश से 2.5 घंटे तक उसके बाप और माँ को रोका गया? कौन है ये? सवाल इस पे होना चाहिए। और मैं फिर कह रहा हूँ, उस लड़की को बार बार मैं देख रहा हूँ, आज दिन में मैं 3-4 बहसों में था, मुझे लग रहा था कि हम लोग बहस नहीं, अट्टहास कर रहे हों, जैसे कि अरे पॉलिटिक्स क्या है भाई, कोई छोड़िए, हम तो एक सिंपल चीज कह रहे हैं। वो कौन है जिसने ये रोका, जिसने इसको बताने में देर की?
रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी।
आज की तारीख में कौन है? मुख्यमंत्री सड़क पे निकल रहा है, किसके खिलाफ? किसके खिलाफ निकल रहे हो भाई आप? तो मेरा यह कहना है कि कृपया अपराध को अपराध ही रहने दें। इसमें किसी तरह की राजनीति जो भी है लोग कर रहे हैं, हम लोग अगर एक राजनीतिक बयानबाजी करेंगे, मैं केवल प्रशासन के बारे में एक बात कहूंगा, किसी एक का सिर्फ दो लाइनें मैं उसमें चेंज करके कह रहा हूं।
सर,
इन्हें खबर है दरिंदों के हर ठिकाने की, शरीके जुर्म न होते तो मुखबिरी करते।
Sir, Ratnakar Tripathi, she is the chief minister. She is the health minister. She knows exactly what has happened. And still she is protesting. Against whom? Against whom, Mr. Tripathi? Can you please tell us why? She should have acted on the culprits. She acted on transferring the doctors. She came under pressure again. As Deepak Chaurasia was saying, that she is under immense pressure. So she came under pressure again. And she's taken that back. Now those doctors are not being transferred. But what about the culprits? What about those monsters? Ratnakar Tripathi, straight question. And why is it Priyanka Vadra in Bengal, outside that college, and saying and chanting that slogan, Ladki hu, lad sakti hu. I would have been with her. I would have been on the side.
Please don't.
But why is she not? And when BJP protests, you say she or BJP is protesting to settle the political score in the state of West Bengal.
Ashwani, your name is not Ratnakar Tripathi. You call me and you regularly speak. So now I expect the courtesy of not disturbing me.
You won't be,
sir.
sir.
Right?
Carry on.
Right. Please have the courtesy. So the thing is that it is really appalling. I am really done with these debates on these women molestations and rapes, because you present only one thing. They talked about the porn thing. Yes, porn instigates. I accept it. But the thing which leads to a rape and molestation is inaction. Inaction leads to crime, many crimes and many tragedies. I am not drawing a parallel. But why you are overlooking the same incidents in Bengal in other side? On the other side of the frame. The governor C.V. Ananda Bose, he is accused of molesting a Raj Bhavan employee on 24th April and 2nd May. And what pretext? That he was offering a job. And what did he do? He sent a letter that the police is restricted to enter the governor house. Right. What he did? He flew to Kochi and issued a statement there. Okay, he said, this is the plot against me. And what happens after 15-20 days? An ODC dancer, she says that on 23rd December 2022, he offered me tickets from Calcutta to and fro to Delhi for the External Affairs Ministry, some work in there, and he came to my hotel and molested me, the ODC dancer, right? And the report says that the exit of the governor from the Bengal Bhavan and
Rahul
the
Dev
entry
is saying
registered in the hotel
Rahul Dev is saying
corroborates that he was there.
Okay.
So these rapists will think, okay, if the governor can do it, why can't we? He is scot free. Why can't we? On 19th July, please don't interrupt.
Ratnakar
This
Tripathi,
very
the only
19th
question I
July,
asked
the
you,
Supreme Court
sir, I
said,
gave you
yeah,
full
I'm
90
telling
seconds,
you
or even more than that. The only question I asked,
please don't oblige me.
hold on.
No, you tell me. the
You
Supreme
don't
Court
tell me what
said
question to ask and
that
what not.
If you want
Please
the
relax.
liberty, you can include
The
a
only
central
question
government.
I asked is,
No, why can't you? Why didn't you
Ratnakar
question C.V. Ananda
Tripathi,
Bose?
I am saying,
Why
I'm not here to
didn't you
fight
question
you.
C.V.
Ratnakar Tripathi,
Ananda
hold
Bose,
on.
Aishwarya
And
ji?
relax.
Tell me, na?
Ratnakar
The
Tripathi,
same
I
case
am
is Bengal.
saying, where is
You can
where
tone me
is-
down.
Where
You can-
is
you can-
Priyanka
you can,
Vadra? I
switch
am
off my
saying,
speaker.
why am I asking?
Tell me,
If Priyanka Vadra would not have said,
this
"Ladki hoon, lad
inaction
sakti
led to this crime.
Understand that. I would have asked the
No,
BJP
I am
also
understanding. I am quite intelligent.
कि बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी
understand
बचाओ.
what is happening.
मैंने कहा, I said, बेटी पढ़ी फिर भी नहीं बची. बेटी तो पढ़ के
बेटी तो
डॉक्टर बन
गवर्नर से नहीं
गई.
बची. आप बोलिए
बेटी
ना.
तो पढ़ के डॉक्टर
बेटी
बन
पढ़ी तो
गई.
गवर्नर से नहीं बची.
She became a doctor
बेटी ने नाचा
because the
तो
monsters in our
बेटी बचा.
society and
How's he
political
banned?
parties which are bickering, which are fighting with each other. Political parties
can't blame
which
the
say,
government for that.
Adil Hassan,
You don't have the
that
guts.
लड़की हूं लड़ सकती हूं. Where are they tonight?
Aishwarya Kapoor, you don't
They are
have
quiet.
the guts to say.
You can
that the
question, you
government-
can bring.
governor is-
Listen, Ratnakar
No, no.
Tripathi, I'll tell you a reality tonight.
don't have the guts to say.
I'll tell you.
You
Listen,
can
don't
blame
challenge
Mamata
my guts.
Banerjee. You
Before
can
I
blame
tell
Priya-
some
No,
truth.
I'm challenging
Relax.
you.
Please
Say
relax.
it.
You
whether
can carry
are
on.
the
I am not
governor.
going to deviate from my debate because I need to expose all of you. As a journalist, I'm
Hey,
saying,
I have
Rahul ji,
exposed you.
Deepak Chaurasia,
You
hold on.
never conducted a
Ram
debate
Kripal
with
ji,
governor.
Satish K. Singh, all of you are here. You are far more senior to me. All of you. Aren't there still dozens of cases of atrocities against women, crime against women, which still go unchecked, even unreported in today's time? Even if you open local newspapers, local websites, local channels, local YouTube channels, you will find at least, sir, I have 4 to 5 senior journalists on the panel tonight. There are still cases, atrocities, even far more atrocious than this, far more brutal than this. The Muzaffarpur case in Bihar, we are reporting on it. I was taken aback once the details came out. Hence I started that what's wrong with our society? What's literally wrong with our society? Where have we gone wrong? Where have we gone wrong? Adil Hassan.
ऐश्वर्या, ये जो मुद्दा है बहुत ही गंभीर मुद्दा है और पूरे देश को इस घटना ने शर्मसार किया। अफसोस है कि ममता बनर्जी माँ माटी मानुष की बात करती है, सादगी का प्रतीक है, लेकिन उन्होंने इतना नेग्लिजेंस, हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री भी आप रखिएगा, होम मिनिस्ट्री भी आप रखिएगा, चीफ मिनिस्टर भी रहिएगा, तो ये सादगी का ड्रामा क्यों करती? आखिर इतना बड़ा क्राइम, इतना बड़ा घटना उनके स्टेट में हुआ और अब तक इतना नेग्लिजेंस क्यों हुआ? आप उनके माता पिता को बताने में देर, झूठ बोला, पर्दा डाला, आखिर क्यों है? आखिर देश जानना चाहता है, स्टेट जानना चाहता है कि माँ माटी मनुष्य सिर्फ एक ड्रामा है कि आप सही में इस पे पालन करते हैं। दूसरा आप बतलाइए, भाजपा जो है, इतनी बड़ी बड़ी बात अभी भाजपा की तरफ से सुनने को मिली है और मिल रही है, तो राम रहीम और आशा राम को जो रेपिस्ट हैं, जो रेप के चार्ज में, उसको राजस्थान और हरियाणा भाजपा सरकार जिसको पेरोल पे पेरोल दे, इतना पेरोल दे चुनावी फायदा के लिए, उसको किसी तरीके से बोलने का हक नहीं। आसिफा के साथ जो घटना घटी जम्मू कश्मीर में, उसमें भाजपा के मंत्री उसका सपोर्ट में निकाले थे एक्यूज के, तो क्या इन लोग बात करेंगे? इन लोग को शर्म है? ममता बनर्जी हो या भाजपा हो, और कांग्रेस की भी चुप की, राहुल गांधी हर मुद्दे पे बोलते हैं, प्रियंका गांधी बोलती हैं, लेकिन कहां इस मुद्दे पर बोली? ये कोई आम घटना नहीं है। इससे बड़ा क्राइम आप क्या चाहते हैं? देश को किधर ले जाना चाहते हैं? भाजपा अपना चश्मा बदले, अपोजिशन बदले,
आरपी सिंह
ये देश जानना चाहता है। जहां आप आसाराम बापू और राम रहीम जैसे लोग को कब तक पेरोल दीजिएगा चुनावी फायदा के लिए?
आरपी सिंह, आंसर टू दिस। आरपी सिंह, आंसर। आरपी सिंह, you are being cornered now. Why RP Singh? RP Singh, your government's in place. RP Singh, point taken, Adil. Point taken. BJP is answering on that. RP Singh, answer. RP Singh, reply.
हो गया सर आपका। मेरा नाम आरपी सिंह है सर।
बापू और
आरपी सिंह जी बोल रहे हैं। आदिल जी होल्ड ऑन। आरपी सिंह जी, let RP Singh let Singh साहब reply. Let RP Singh ji reply. Thank you very much. Can I have the reply? Yes, RP ji. Can I have your reply?
Well, probably you should replay what I said earlier, that all political parties across the board try to cover up the tracks for reason whatever it is. And then here the worst part is that she has allowed gundas and the ruffians to come and destroy that place, the crime scene itself. That's the biggest drama she did, and for objective. No, सर रोका नहीं सर, आपको टोका नहीं। मैं टोक सकता था आपको, और आपको बोलने से रोक सकता था। और जिनकी आप बात करें सर, एक मिनट रुकिए ना सर, जम्मू में जिनकी बात करें वो कांग्रेस की टिकट से इलेक्शन लड़े थे, हमारे यहाँ से नहीं इलेक्शन लड़े थे, जो उनके संग खड़े थे, कांग्रेस की टिकट से इलेक्शन लड़े थे। अरे सुनो
Adil, calm down. Adil, calm down. This specific question, RPG, is on people who have rape charges, serious charges on them, are getting parole. And somewhere or the other, indication is that they have support from BJP.
Happens, sir, payroll is granted by the court, not by the local administration. Court can turn it down, court can reject it, court can accept it. So it's not the preview of
Adil, please come. Adil, please. Ratnakar Tripathi, please. Vivek, please. That's the problem. The minute someone speaks, when you were speaking, I did not allow anyone else to speak over you. But when you are uncomfortable, you will not let RP Singh speak. Why? RP Singh, please complete. 30 more seconds, sir.
बस मुझे एक मोटी बात इनसे पूछ दीजिए कि ममता बनर्जी किसको बचाने के लिए कोशिश कर रही है? वो ये कह देना कि वह रेप नहीं है, वह सुसाइड है, फिर उसके बाद सीबीआई को जांच नहीं देना, उसके बाद फिर ये भी कोशिश करना कि
पेरेंट्स वर नॉट अलाउड। रामकृपाल सिंह जी वाज राइट।
फिर वहां पर
पेरेंट्स वर नॉट अलाउड।
फिर वहां पर क्राइम सीन को खराब करना, ये सब दिखता है कि कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई बड़ा मामला है।
Now let me ask a broader question. It's not that for the first time. Can I have all the four senior journalists on air, including Ratan Sharda ji? Thank you very much. It's not for the first time, Satish K. Singh, Rahul Dev, Deepak Chaurasia, Ratan Sharda, that Ramkripal ji, that India has a female chief minister. From the first, Sucheta Kriplani, to Mayawati, to chief ministers of Orissa, Assam, New Delhi, we've had several female chief ministers, strong leaders. But they've never allowed this. And I thought, as Deepak Chaurasia was saying, that she's very sensitive, but there is a lot of pressure. Kya pressure, Deepak ji? Kya pressure? वो भारत की बेटी थी. She was daughter of Bharat. What pressure? What political compulsion are we talking about? Did she or did she not resign when she was the rail minister in center and there was a rail accident? She resigned.
Have you?
For what compulsion?
Okay.
What has she become?
Okay. Have you heard of any chief minister? Have you heard of any chief minister? Have you heard of any chief minister who wants to leave her own chair or his own chair? Why would Mamata would want to leave her own chair? And if she admits the mistake, or if she says, or if she admits, मेरे इलाके में ये हाल हुआ है, मेरे एक अस्पताल में जो मेरे सरकार के अंडर में है, जिसकी मैं हेल्थ मिनिस्टर हूं, जिसकी मैं होम मिनिस्टर हूं, जिसके मैं चीफ मिनिस्टर हूं। भाई इसीलिए तो वो रैली निकाल रही, क्योंकि वो डाइवर्ट कर सके। पॉलिटिकल कंपल्शन क्या होती है कि वो अपने आदमी को ये बताना चाहती है कि देखिए मैं अपने इस आदमी के साथ पूरी दुनिया खिलाफ हो जाए खड़ी हूं। वो अपने कमिश्नर के लिए खड़ी रही। एक कमिश्नर जिसकी सीबीआई की इंक्वायरी होनी थी, उसके खिलाफ सिटिंग चीफ मिनिस्टर ने धरना दे लिया। क्यों दिया भाई? ममता बनर्जी ने क्यों दिया? या यहाँ पर जो हर्षद कोची चोरी होगी इसीलिए ना, क्योंकि वो ये संकेत देना चाहती है कि मेरे साथ जो होगा सही हो या गलत, मैं उसके साथ खड़ी रहूंगी। ये ममता दी का स्टाइल फंक्शनिंग है। मुझे नहीं पता हॉस्पिटल के अंदर जो डिटेल्स आ रहे हैं उसमें कितने सही है कितने गलत है। खुद चीफ मिनिस्टर उसमें इन्वॉल्व है, नहीं इन्वॉल्व है, मल्टीपल लोग इन्वॉल्व हैं। कोई कह रहा है कि टीएमसी के बड़े नेता इन्वॉल्व हैं, कोई कह रहा है कि नहीं उसके पीछे एक बड़ी कॉन्स्पिरेसी हुई है। हर क्राइम के पीछे इस तरह की थ्योरीज आती हैं। बट आपने ममता जी का जो ब्रांड ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स देखा है, स्टाइल ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स देखा है, वो अपनी गलती को कभी एडमिट नहीं करेंगी और उसके साथ वो इतना सारा चीजें फैला देगी।
We cannot allow this unchecked.
एक-एक चीज
We cannot allow this to go unchecked. Ratan Sharda, Satish K. Singh, Rahul Dev, Vivek Srivastava, I'm coming to every one of you one by one. Ratan Sharda. Point taken, Deepak ji.
When the police takes action on social media activists who have nothing to do with the crime, it shows that police has lost its own ethical moral stance. And I would like to ask, who made women objects of desire? The same people who call themselves progressive, who show women running after a man because he has got some good underwear, or who was putting some fragrance which makes women go after him like an animal. Who does it? Why do we allow it? What kind of advertisement are these which talk about which so-called
सारी ad agencies बंद कर देंगे।
फिर बोला ये
आप फिर वही रिग्रेसिव बातें कर रहे हैं। मणिपुर पे चुप नहीं रहे, मणिपुर के मुख्यमंत्री को रिजाइन करने की कोशिश
I will repeat again.
चलने दो मणिपुर के चीफ मिनिस्टर को।
issue.
One by one.
Implement is the issue because politicians continuously interfere with the law and order machinery. They will not allow police to work. Police will be reduced to just following leaders doing their security. They are not doing any investigation. Any crime happens, you say CBI को बुलाओ, CID को SIT बिठाओ, तो भैया पुलिस किस लिए है? उसके डिटेक्शन कहाँ गए? उनका CID कहाँ गया? Because nobody allows them to work. And as far as Asaram is concerned, they don't know. Asaram never got a parole. I am not at all advocating about him. I am just saying don't
राम भद्राचार्य ने तो आपसे मांग करी थी।
अरे जिसका भी होगा, मैंने भी सपोर्ट किया।
राम भद्राचार्य जी ने तो आपसे मांग करी थी।
अरे साहब तुमने किसको सपोर्ट किया? See, he's trying to activate. I want to stay. See, I am the last person to ask for resignation of a minister. Unless the minister says I am helpless, I cannot do anything, I will sit in front of my own self, I will protest against myself. I don't ask anybody to resign. Work, man, sitting in a place, please, man, women. Gender does not make a minister, gender only makes a politician, and that is where we look at, we try to say,
point taken, sir.
Chief Minister,
point taken, sir. Point taken,
sir.
Point taken, sir. Satish K. Singh. Can I have Ramkripal ji and RP Singh on the right?
Well, yeah, first of all, I think Deepak today is becoming contradictory. He called Mamta sensitive, and after that he gave all examples of sticking to chair. So that is being insensitive. So that's point number one. Point number two, we should know the fact that the Bengal administration, the Mamata government, has withdrawn CBI from the what is this called, general consent for the state.
That's right.
So this is where, and today I am shocked, literally shocked, that the Mamta and Mamta's people, what they are saying, hang them till Sunday. I mean, CBI, once they were questioning CBI, no entry in Bengal, now asking the visa comment, how can they do it by 18th? They are just making a joke out of it.
They are making a joke out of it. Rahul Dev,
that opposition is making
the points which Ramkripal Singh made. Sir, I have a limited time
left.
left.
Is this a statement?
Sir, I gave
a responsible
all of you
statement?
ample amount of time. Satish ji, thank you. Satish ji, I'm a little short on time tonight. Rahul Dev, the points which Ramkripal Singh made. Ramkripal ji said, first, it was said that it's a suicide. Secondly, the parents were not allowed. Thirdly, mob entered. Evidence was tried to be destroyed. They're all indications that someone was trying to protect someone. And those someones are a blank right now. which the agencies, the investigative agencies, have to fill in. That's a fact. Rahul Dev.
It is crystal clear. It is crystal clear for the last 3-4 days that Mamata and her whole administration are shielding not the culprit but those who put up hurdles. The principal of the that medical college, Carr Medical College, has still not been sacked from government service. He was made to resign, and he was within 4 years transferred as principal to another government college.
For us.
This is injustice flying in the face of being done in the face of whole world. The police commissioner, obviously the police commissioner of Kolkata is always a political appointee, chosen with very, very deep care to serve the interests of the ruling party and specifically the chief minister in every state, not just Bengal. She has not uttered a single word against him, much less taken action. His police, the way the investigation was stalled, the way the investigation was sought to be confused, the lies that were spoken by the hospital administration and the principal, they are clear pointers that some people, not just one individual, but the whole system of favors and receiving favors in turn is being shielded. And this whole nautanki of taking out a procession is the most ludicrous scene we can imagine.
Understood, sir.
Her culpability and complete failure in discharge of her responsibilities.
That's true, sir. Ram Kripalji, I don't have time to come back to you, but I'll just tell you one thing. Rahulji, the points which you made, sir, from point number 1, from the very second, the first respondent who said it's a suicide, it was being tried to be put away as a suicide. Parents not allowed. Evidence being... Deepak ji, these are not indications of a sensitive chief minister. The administration does not act like this under a sensitive chief minister. And as R.P. Singh said, just because you're a lady chief minister cannot be the only reason, Ratan Sharda, as you correctly said, of being right.
उस सेंसिटिविटी के नाम पर ही ममता बनर्जी मुख्यमंत्री बनी थी ऐश्वर्या.
I remember that, sir. I remember that, sir, when she went to that building, which is called the Lal Building, if I'm not wrong. That building. I remember, but that is not the issue.
एक लाइन बोलने दी.
It's the last line. It's the last line, and then I need to end.
ऐश्वर्य,
sir,
एक लाइन कहूँगा. मैं सिर्फ इतना कहता हूँ, truth is objective, not subjective. पहली बात तो यह है कि सारे सच अपने आप बोल रहे हैं. दूसरी बात, जब हमारे यहाँ जर्नलिज्म में कहा जाता है न्यूज़ पैक, आज की बहस उस बिटिया पर थी. हिंदुस्तान में अपराध पर निबंध लिखने के लिए नहीं थी. जो लोग इस काम में शामिल हैं, वो भी कहीं ना कहीं अपराधियों का बचाव कर रहे हैं.
On that point, I'm closing, and please listen again to what Ram Kripal Singh has just said at last. It was not to write an article on what has happened. It was to act. And the Chief Minister, law and order is a state subject. She needs to act, and she needs to act now. Thank you very much, viewers. That's the time I had on Burning Question tonight. Thank you very much.